Hi. Today we're going to tell you about 3 tips to create a successful brand development strategy. With the rise of so many new channels for marketing like social media, merely throwing money at marketing efforts won't work like it used to. Today, that mindless approach must be replaced with a solid brand development strategy to ensure that your company will find success, reach customers, and have them come to you for your products and services. Let's get started. Determine your target audience. You will not be able to sell your products or services to customers that you don't even know about. Because of that, you must first figure out who you're going to sell to. For example, find out what are the problems that they usually face that'll motivate them to come to you, then figure out what kind of products will help solve that problem for them. Figure out who you want to do business with. Once you answer all the questions that revolve around your audience, you can reach out to them personally, or through third-party services, to interview them. Learn about why they choose you instead of other services and understand the challenges they face. Create intriguing brand messages and content. Your message should talk all about your customers' ongoing challenges and how your products or services can help solve it for them. As for your content, it should be all about developing your brand. Also, this content should focus on answering your audience's pain points, similar to your brand messages. When you can identify who your audience is and create messages and content that people can relate to, you remain relevant even in a market that's flooded with competitors. All of these steps will allow you to further strengthen your brand identity and propel you to greater heights. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.